the gift of the spiritual exercises just keeps on giving and giving and giving.
God is mystery. God is beyond any images that we can have of God. We can never adequately describe God.
The exercises themselves, they emerge out of the life of Ignatius of Loyola.
He sat down beside the river Cardenet. He says the eyes of his understanding were opened, and he began to see all things in a new light.
My deep prayer is that you will be drawn more deeply into friendship with God, more deeply into your own following of Christ, and more deeply into an openness to the wind and to the breath of the Spirit.